Hi guys, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. Welcome back to my channel. As winters are setting in, it's extremely chilly. So I wanted to talk about my favorite hair removal techniques in this season because I know during this winter season it can be really difficult to remove those hair from the body. So without further ado, we are quickly gonna be diving in. So guys, the first one is gonna be really handy, gonna be waxing. So this is my favorite method because waxing helps in making you go hair free for good 4 weeks. Also over a period of time you will be seeing finer hair growth. So there are different type of waxes which are available in the market. You can even make one at your home. I will try to give the recipe in the description box below somewhere here. After opting for waxing guys, constantly if you go under waxing session, by that means also your hair are gonna become finer. Also because it helps in removing the hair from the roots, you are not going to be having any hair growth for a longer period of time. It also helps in removing the dead skin cells or the tanning that you have on the skin, and I absolutely loves how smooth my skin feels after every waxing session. Now there are lots of advantages of this method, but the only disadvantage that I feel is if you're not exfoliating your skin, you are gonna end up having lots of ingrown. So guys, once I'm done with removing the hair on my body, these days I am using this NEUD Hair Inhibitor which helps in reducing the hair that I have on the body. So what it does is it helps in inhibiting the hair growth that you have on the body. So all you have to do is just remove the hair that you have on the body. You can go for waxing, threading, just take the bit of the lotion, apply it all over the area. So what it does, it helps in deactivating the unwanted hair growth. It goes deep in your skin layer and target the unwanted hair follicle, and hence helps in inhibiting the hair growth that you have. So to see the significant results, you must use it for 2 to 3 months. And yes, it is going to be completely safe to use because it is made with all the natural ingredients, and by using this you are going to be getting rid of those unwanted hair on the body. So yes, this is going to be a must have in my hair removal routine, and it is like having a laser at home but at a very affordable price. And guys, the next method is gonna be an epilator. Now I have been using epilator from 5 years now, and I'll tell you how I use it. So there are various epilators which are available in the market. First of all, it's very portable, handy. You can take it anywhere that you're going. And if you're somebody like me who do not want to go for shaving all the time, because if you shave, the hair growth is just gonna be there in a day or two. By using an epilator, you can be hair free for good 3 to 4 weeks. Also, you can use it anywhere, anytime. It's so easy to use. The only thing that you need to be adapting yourself to is the pain tolerance, because it can feel weird in the beginning of using it, but gradually you're gonna get accustomed to it. Now there are various advantages of this. Even the tiniest bit of hair which waxing cannot take out, epilator is going to do the job for you. The other disadvantage include that it can feel a bit painful on the skin. It might cause redness, especially on the sensitive areas. But believe me, the benefits are so much that I love using epilator on my skin. Also guys, if you want to remove your body hair permanently at a very affordable price, just go and check out NEUD Hair Inhibitor, and this is gonna inhibit the hair growth that you have on the body. So guys, these are all the hair removal method that I really wanted to talk about, and I use them and I swear by them. So any kind of hair removal method that you want to opt for, if you want a permanent hair reduction, just go and check out this NEUD Hair Inhibitor. The link is going to be in the description box below. Over a period of time, you're going to be reaping some amazing benefits. Also, it is completely safe to use, so what else do we need? So yeah, with that, we are going to be wrapping up today's video, and I'll see you guys super soon with another one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. I love y'all so much.